Here's an example of a serious pest threat. This is one of our worst scale insects. It's in a group called the wax scales, and they're tiny little insects that have piercing sucking mouth parts, and they're sucking the sap literally out of this plant, this Eugenia or Simpson stopper. And you see the twigs are just crunching off. They've sucked the sap out of them. Those twigs are dead. This plant may not recover. Note the black stuff on the leaves. Some refer to this as black plague or sooty mold. This black mold is a fungus which thrives on the honeydew excreted by insects. Honeydew is the liquid excretion of mealybugs or aphids or soft scale insects. How it got the name honeydew is another story. It is rich in carbohydrates and is an ideal substrate for the fungus. So when you see this sooty mold, look close. It's a warning signal. You have a sucking insect problem that needs to be addressed. What do? We've got a severe infestation of the wax scale. The best approach is to look at a foliar application of a 2% horticultural mineral oil. But for longer term, longer lasting results, you're going to need a soil drench of a systemic, something like imidacloprid as a root drench around the base of the trunk. The systemic insecticides that are picked up by the roots are translocated inside the plant via the vascular system to every part of the plant. That's why I like systemic applications so much, because you get thorough coverage from the inside. It only affects the bad bugs that feed on the plant and not your beneficials that are on the exterior.